Hi everyone, today you'll be working on a video assignment. Your goal during this 2-day assignment is to create a presentation that demonstrates one of the 3 laws of motion on video and email it to me. You will be in teams of 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, so you can choose to work by yourself or choose to work in a team of up to 4 people. Presentation ideas include acting on a skit or making a mini movie. You can make a TV show or talk show. You can draw cartoons and pictures if you don't want to be on camera, but you can have your voice act out different characters in the cartoon. You can make posters and explain it on the video, tell a story like story time. You can teach a lesson online as if you were an online teacher. Demonstrate a science demonstration. Here, it's pretty cool if you look online, some Google demonstrations, or actually no, Google up some experiments that deal with Newton's first, second, or third law, so you can do some of those for your video. Sing a song or create lyrics with a dance to an existing tune if you're brave enough, and anything else that deals with whatever law of motion you choose, and you have to present and explain it to somebody. The first thing that's going to show up on the video will be basically a piece of paper that has your law written on it, and the names of all members working together so that you get credit. Now, every team member that's in the video must be in the video itself and visibly participate. That means you have to be speaking or acting in it to earn credit. If you're just a cameraman, you will not earn credit. You have to actually be in the video. Or you could put your voice in it. You should identify yourself the first time you're talking. Or if you're doing a cartoon where we cannot see any of you, then you could identify your voices at the end with credits. You could just write on a piece of paper like the name of the character and which student voiced that character on the cartoon. So that can also work. On the side of the classroom are the 3 laws of motion. These are there just to remind you what they are so that you can refer to that if you're trying to think of an idea and trying to figure out which one you want to work on. The first law, remember, deals with an object at rest being at rest, and an object in motion that remains in motion with the same velocity unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. The second one deals with the force triangle, so you could demonstrate how to use the force triangle in your mini video, or you can demonstrate the concept, how more force is needed, for example, to accelerate faster, like it says in red at the bottom, or for larger masses you need more force. Remember in some of our classes we talked about crab soccer for PE. When you play crab soccer in the gym, you have to use more force because the ball is larger. There's a larger mass. And also if you want to kick that ball farther or move it farther, you have to use more force, right? If you just barely poke it with your feet, you're not going to get that ball anywhere. So that would demonstrate Newton's second law of motion. And the third law, again, is for every action there's an equal but opposite reaction. So you can do an experiment that shows that, make a TV show about it, or a mini movie that shows action and reaction forces. Okay. Here's an example of another team from many years ago. They didn't have tablets back then, so we actually just did it in class and recorded it on a video camera. And so, for example, the first thing in your video would be the law. So in this example, you have Newton's first law of motion, and so they wrote it out, and their names are at the bottom because that's how they get credit. And in the video, all 4 of them are in the video. Let me go ahead and pause and get the video going. And here's the video.
No, I can't go out on Friday night. I have kids. Newton's first law states that objects at rest remain at rest, and objects in motion remain in motion with the same velocity, unless acted upon by an opposite force. In this case, the opposing force is the steering wheel. Let's see what happens. Oh my God! You can't cut!
Okay, so in the video, they showed Newton's first law. They also explained it by action. They made a mini video that shows what happens if you are using Newton's first law, right? Okay, and that was their example. Let me skip down to where we are now. And today, this is what you're going to do. With your team that you choose, you're going to create your title page, which is writing out the entire law and having your names written on a piece of paper. Work with your team to plan what you will do tomorrow when you're recording. You have to decide on which law you want to do. Write down your lines if you have a script or if there's something you want to say for sure. You want to decide on who will bring what tomorrow. For example, if you need props, if you're going to dress up, if there's music, if there's a setting, like you have to set it up, or even if you're drawing cartoons and posters, you might want to assign a certain person to draw certain things, and that way tomorrow you just bring it together and you can record it on video. And tomorrow you also have to have tablets that can record and email. Okay? So make sure you know how to use the email on your tablets. The tech team did come around to show you guys how to use your Gmails and how to attach a video. If you forgot, you should check your Science Haiku page and just go down the Sierra Eagles page on your haiku, and it's one of the videos that you'll see says Gmail video, and that's what you should use. Okay? Alright, good luck, break a leg, and I look forward to seeing what you guys have tomorrow. We'll be recording tomorrow and setting all your videos in for your project points. Alright, good luck. Bye-bye.